Hey y'all, welcome back to Island 5 Cooking. For today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how I make my candied yams. Okay, this recipe is my absolute favorite candy yam recipe. Hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I did. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make candy yam, okay? This right here is the yam you will be needing. I'm not sure if I'll be able to use all of them because it's a lot. I'll be using some star anise because there's some good flavors on the star anise. Also, I have some pure vanilla extract. I have some nutmeg, just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit because nutmeg is really strong when it comes to the flavor. I have some ground cinnamon here, and you will be needing some brown sugar, okay? And I'll be adding some marshmallows on there as well. This is optional, okay? You do not have to use marshmallows if you don't want to use it, and of course you will need some water, okay? Let's get started. All right guys, my sweet potatoes are nice and cut and clean. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. This is what they look like, okay? So now I am going to add my water. This is about 2 cups of water. Okay, I'm adding another cup of water. Okay, now we're going to cover it until the sweet potatoes are nice and tender. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, the sweet potatoes are nice and tender. They're nice and tender. They've been boiling for about 10 minutes. So now I am going to remove them and place them in a baking dish. Okay? So now I am taking 1 stick of butter. I am going to melt the butter, okay? Just melt it. So now the butter is nice and melted. I'll be adding about, I'll say 1 cup of brown sugar in the butter, okay? About 1 cup. Next, I'll be adding some honey, okay? Honey, I'll say about 3 tablespoons honey. Next, I am going to add my cinnamon. Add your cinnamon powder and about 1 tablespoon. Also, I'll be adding a pinch of nutmeg. To that, last, I'll be using some pure vanilla extract. A teaspoon. I will also add a pinch of salt. We're going to give that a mix. Now you can add orange juice in there as well, but for today's video I won't be using any, okay? But you can add some as well in there. So once that is well mixed together, we're just going to pour it all over our sweet potatoes. All right, this is what it looks like. Now we're going to pour it all over the sweet potatoes. Okay. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is going to be delicious. I love sweet potatoes, guys. For Thanksgiving, I always make candy yams as a side dish because it's one of my favorite side dish. Okay, now we're going to cover this with foil and place it under the oven. Okay, now all you have to do is just cover it with the foil and place it in the oven. This is what my candy yams look like now. I am going to add my marshmallows. Like I said, marshmallows are very optional. You do not have to use it, but I really like using marshmallows. It just have a different flavor and texture. Okay, I'm just going to place the marshmallows all over it. Okay. Now all I have to do is place this in the oven once more. Then we're going to turn on the boiler, okay? Okay guys, this is the candy yam. I overcooked the marshmallows a little bit. Well, maybe a lot of it. But it's still good regardless. The marshmallows are nice and soft. Okay, so... And there you have it, my absolute favorite candy yams recipe. Hopefully you enjoy it as much as I did enjoy making this for you guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me if you haven't already. Like the video for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my absolute delicious recipes here. I'll be uploading for November, so keep on watching, and if you have any suggestion, leave them down below on what you want me to make this Thanksgiving. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Yum.